Hello foodies, welcome to the Smoothies Bar channel. My name is Ishwari and I'm here today with a new delectable recipe for you. In my videos, I like to talk in detail about all the nutrients that goes into my smoothies as I'm constantly working on very palatable recipes. So before going to the recipe, I will first talk about the star of today's video, Cape Gooseberries. The delicious Cape Gooseberry fruit takes on a magical appearance encased in light papery lantern-like leaves. The fruits are safely enclosed inside this husk. Once ripe, the husk is removed to reveal the treasure, the golden berry. Cape gooseberries are small round-shaped fruits. They are yellow and orange in color. They look like small tomatoes and there are lots of seeds inside each fruit. They have a sweet tart flavor that is reminiscent of a cherry tomato crossed with tangy notes of pineapple, mango, vanilla, strawberry and mere lemon. Cape gooseberry is usually known as raspberries in India. It is basically a small orange berry fruit and is called with several names such as ground berries, Inca berry, Peruvian cherries, husk cherry, poha berry and golden berries. The ripe Cape gooseberry fruits are extremely nutritious and delicious. But do you know the unripe Cape gooseberry fruits are poisonous and can even cause death? Cape gooseberry fruits stay for a long time. They can simply be preserved in a tin and kept. Cape gooseberry fruits can also be dried and preserved. Dry Cape gooseberry fruits are also eaten as dried fruits. They are loaded with dietary fiber, vitamin A, B1, B2 and B3, as well as minerals like calcium, phosphorus and iron. Best time to buy them in India is from December to May. Cape gooseberries have n number of health benefits. It boosts your immunity to infections. It makes your skin lovely. Vitamin C in Cape gooseberries beautifies your skin. It promotes sharp vision. It lowers your risk of heart disease. It wards off loss of bone density. It encourages better digestion. It helps in the reduction of unwanted pounds. Fights cold and flu. Controls high blood pressure. Controls diabetes. It has anti-inflammatory properties. I just love popping the husk open to eat bright yellow berries inside. Today I'm gonna be making Cape gooseberry smoothie bowl. I always like to take a fully ripe banana to add some natural sweetness. You can also take frozen bananas, which definitely create a thicker smoothie. Bananas contain a bunch of vitamin B6, vitamin C, potassium, magnesium. They contain almost no fat, cholesterol or sodium. Bananas are high in fiber. For the recipe, I am taking 1 banana, 1 cup Cape gooseberries, salt, turmeric, vanilla essence, coconut milk. For the toppings, sesame seeds, dark chocolate, flax seeds, pine nuts and raspberries. As Cape gooseberries are little tangy, you can always add maple syrup, honey or any sweeteners of your choice. I prefer a fully ripe banana for natural sweetness. Turmeric will add a flavor and also add natural color to the smoothie. Salt will enhance the sweet components and also add a richer taste. Vanilla essence for fragrance. You can also take coconut cream for a thick creamy texture. Let's blend until smooth. Do you see this color? A bright yellow hue. Let's start with the toppings. Add some banana, Pine nuts have a mild buttery flavor and creamy texture, more like cashews and macadamia nuts. They are very nutritious. Cocoa and dark chocolate have a wide variety of powerful antioxidants. Flax seeds, with its mild, nutty taste and crisp, crunchy consistency, they are a flexible factor that may enhance the flavor and texture of the smoothie. Natural black sesame seeds are one of the healthiest kinds of sesame seeds, which are rich in flavor, nutty and crunchy in texture. They are a powerhouse of not just taste but also nutritional value. Rasberries evoke sensation of fresh juicy fruit with slightly crunchy floral undertones blended with woody notes. Thank you for watching this video. I would be delighted to have you a member of our community. So please make sure to like, share and subscribe so that you do not miss out on any future videos. And in my description box, I would be including all the links of my previous videos. See you soon. Eat clean.